So what do I got now? I got another ticking motor. No, it's not a GM 5.3. You hear it? This is another vehicle that has a certain motor that has a tendency to have ticks in it. Although I'm not sure if this is actually a lifter tick, or a tappet tick I should call it. Overhead cam motor. They're kind of notorious for having rocker arm issues and stuff like that. Usually on the ones that get driven like a baby, those are the ones that have issues. So what is it? It's a Jeep Wrangler. And that's a 3.6. Common issue, very common issue with these. Like I said, for some reason I have found the ones with the issues are always the ones that get driven easily. Now this thing has 130,000 miles on it. And it looks like it was well maintained. But there again, who knows? I found the ones that have been beat on, the ones that have been driven rough and hard and everything else, those are the ones, they never have problems. This is actually a pretty good motor. It gets good gas mileage, gets great power. So what's going on with it? I'm not really sure. I'm not sure if they want to actually get into it and try to figure it out. It doesn't have any misfires. It doesn't have any pending codes. There's nothing with it to lead me to believe that there's anything majorly wrong with it at this moment in time. Yes, something's going on. But the weird thing is, it's such a soft tick. It's hard to tell. It really is. And I don't know how far they want me to get into it and, diagnose it and, delve into what the actual problem is. One thing that I did just notice, which is kind of odd, I just literally noticed it now while I was making a video. Let me show you. See that sticker? That Mopar sticker right there? That's on the intake. So, why was the intake changed? Is this a replacement motor? Did the motor blow up? Because if the motor blows up on these things, or actually anything that has a plastic intake, if the motor blows up, I mean physically grenades, you have to replace the intake. Debris gets stuck up in the intake, and you can suck it down in the motor, and then you have a new motor, and you destroy a brand new motor. I've seen it happen. So who knows? Now I don't see anything on here that says anything. I mean, the motor itself does look kind of ancient. And if you look at the head there, in the front cover, it doesn't look all that clean or all that new. So why was the intake changed? I don't know. The thing is, that tick almost sounds like an extremely loud injector. But who knows what it is. I'm not sure they're going to want to spend the time or money for me to actually start taking it apart and start examining all the pieces to try to figure out exactly what's going wrong. If I put a stethoscope to the valve cover, I don't hear anything. If I put it to the injectors, I hear the injectors. So where's the noise coming from? One injector in particular sounds extremely loud. So is it coming from that? I don't know. I really don't know. I don't have an answer for you. If you have any thoughts on this, give me a shout. Hit me up in the comments. All right. Hope you got something out of that. If you could, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.